Your life is a fresh canvas. Imagine every morning as a blank canvas. What you paint on it will echo into your future. Your future isn't built in years. It's built in days. Today, let's break down 10 things you must work on every single day to transform your life. 1. Cultivating a positive attitude. Your attitude is your price tag. It tells the world what you're worth. Two people walk into the same storm. One complains about the rain. The other sees it as water for growth. Which one finds opportunity? Thomas Jefferson once said, "Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal." Every morning, ask yourself, what energy am I choosing today? Reflect, what story am I telling myself right now? Problems or possibilities? A positive attitude won't make every day perfect, but it will make every day powerful. 2. Enhancing communication skills. The world doesn't reward silence. It rewards clarity. Strong communication is more than talking. It's listening. It's persuading. It's connecting. Oprah once said, "Great communication begins with connection." 2 job applicants. Same skills. One struggles to explain. The other speaks with confidence. Who gets the offer? Reflect. Do my words build bridges or burn them? Every conversation is a chance to shrink or expand your world. Choose wisely. 3. Strengthening your mindset. A weak mind breaks under pressure. A strong one bends and bounces back. Think of Michael Jordan, cut from his high school team. He turned rejection into fuel. That's mindset. Henry Ford said it best, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. How do you strengthen your mind? Step into discomfort. Cold showers. Finishing that workout. Pushing through rejection. Reflect. When life hits hard, do I break or bounce? Your mindset is the steering wheel of your life, and only you decide where it turns. 4. Optimizing your time. You don't run out of time. You waste it. Warren Buffett said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything." Most people drown in distractions, scrolling, gossip, procrastination. Instead, time block your day. 25 minutes focused. 5 minutes rest. Plan tomorrow before you sleep tonight. Reflect. If today was my last day, would I spend it the way I spent yesterday? You don't need more hours in the day. You need more discipline in the hours you already have. 5. Growing your knowledge. Every day you're either upgrading or becoming outdated. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Why? Because knowledge compounds. 30 minutes a day equals 182 hours a year. That's how experts are built. Read, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. Even 1 page a day adds up. Reflect. Am I feeding my brain or starving it? The fastest way to stay stuck is to stop learning. 6. Improving financial habits. Money doesn't respect dreams. It respects discipline. Most people don't have money problems. They have money management problems. Jim Rohn said, "Poor people spend their money and save what's left. Rich people save their money and spend what's left." Track your spending. Save before you spend. Invest even small amounts. Every dollar is a soldier. Send it to war wisely. Reflect. Is my money working for me or walking away from me? You don't get rich by making more. You get rich by keeping more. 7. Committing to personal growth. Growth doesn't happen in a year. It happens daily, in small disciplines. John Maxwell once said, "Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. Growth is a choice." Set micro goals. Learn a new skill. Reflect at night. Did I grow today, even 1%? Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Reflect. What did I do today that my future self will thank me for? The old me must die daily, so the new me can live. 8. Aligning with your purpose. A life without purpose is speed without direction. Viktor Frankl said, "Those who have a why to live can bear almost anyhow." Purpose doesn't scream, it whispers. Find what lights you up and align your daily actions with it. Stop chasing only money. Chase meaning. Reflect. Am I chasing a paycheck or my purpose? When your life has a why, you can survive anyhow. 9. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude turns little into enough, and enough into abundance. Science proves it. Gratitude rewires your brain. It lowers stress. It brings joy. It makes you more focused. Start your morning with 3 things you're grateful for. Tony Robbins said, "Trade your expectations for appreciation, and your whole world changes instantly." Reflect. What are 3 things I have now that I once prayed for? You can't be miserable and grateful at the same time. Choose daily discipline, the glue. Motivation will get you started. Discipline will keep you moving. Jocko Willink said, "Discipline equals freedom." It's not about feelings. It's about standards. Waking up when the alarm rings. Finishing the work when you're tired. Sticking to what you promised yourself. Reflect. Am I living by feelings or by standards? Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Your days shape your destiny. Work on these 10 things daily, and your life won't just improve, it will transform. Your canvas resets every morning. What masterpiece will you paint tomorrow? If this message hit you, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough.